Welcome back, guys, and in this tutorial what I'm going to talk about is I'm going to teach you guys about a general HTML format. Now, while writing HTML, what you need to do first and foremost is that you need to start with an HTML tag. Okay, and start with an HTML tag and then put in the head tag. Now the head tag, inside the head tag you can also put in the title tag. Now if you put in any text, for example I'll put, let's say, my page, and then close in my title tag, and this text that you see inside this title tag is what you see on the top of the tab of your web browser while opening the HTML file. So I'm going to save it. So it is saved now, so I'm going to open the HTML file. So HTML file, okay, so launch it in my web browser, and there you go, it is opened. And right now it is empty because we haven't done anything with it. Now if I open this tab and see, then you can clearly see that it has written my page on the top of it. That is, this document is now recognized by this web browser as with the name my page. So that's what this title tag does. And let's continue on with our document. And after writing the title, you close in the head tag and then open the body tag. Now the body is the most crucial part of an HTML document, because everything that you see on a web page, from paragraphs to headers to image, everything is all the elements that you see in a web page is inside the body. For example, let's see, I prepared a sample web page, and let's launch it, and there we go. And in this sample web page, all this header, the paragraphs, the image, the animation, and this all of this is the elements inside the body tag. Okay, so let's get back to our page. And okay, so we're not gonna put anything yet, and let's close in the body tag and then close in the HTML. And don't forget to save it, guys, with an HTML extension at the end of the file name, and then save it. Okay, so there we go, guys. That is the general format for writing an HTML document, and in the next video we're gonna learn how to enter headers and paragraphs inside your HTML document. So stay tuned and look out.